back to the point of cost cutting, because this is always something that when you get to a troubled project, you need to look at. Remember that removing something doesn't save as much as it was budgeted for. It takes time and money just to consider removing something. Somebody's got to spend the time looking at it and making a decision, or downgrading it. Even if you don't do it, it's cost you money. And by the way, this applies to even a project that's not in trouble. Changes cost money to even think about. Removing or downgrading may impact functionality. You have to consider that. You know, if instead of having carpet here, we were to have vinyl floor covering, that would make a difference. We could downgrade the quality of the carpet, would have much less impact. Right? This is a very nice carpet. By the way, do you know why in hotels we put carpets with patterns like this? Yes. So stains don't show. Yeah. Right. Rather than a nice. And I've seen hotels with like a beautiful cream-colored carpet with sort of very nice little roses, but not a heavy pattern like this. Yeah, and then after a few months, it's got coffee stains. It's a mess, especially curry. This doesn't show. This doesn't show the stains as badly. It will stain, right? It just will notice it. If you want to cut costs, do value engineering. Don't just start, And I remember this project I was working in Bandung, which unfortunately got abandoned because the owner went bankrupt, no funding. But having some very serious discussions with both the owners and the interior designers. And the interior designers had this very, it was nice, but it was way more than what was needed. And I remember sitting down with them and saying, you guys really need to reduce the cost of your design. And they said, no, the owners approved it. I said, yeah, but you know what's going to happen, right? We get into construction, and this is going to be too costly. And the owners are finally going to realize we need to downgrade this. And then you're not going to be the one making the decision of what to change. I say, you guys need to take control. Anyway, the project was abandoned before that happened.